Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Friends, in this tutorial, I will show how can we change the drive letter and path in Windows 10. So, let's start. At first, go to Manage from this PC. Now, click on Disk Management. We can see the computer hard disk, drive letter name, and capacities. If we want to change the drive letter name, then select this drive, and click the right button on your mouse. Now, select Change the drive letter and path. Now, click on Change, and select your drive letter name, which you want to set. After select, click on OK. Now click on Yes. After a few seconds later, you can see your drive letter is changed, which you select. In the same way, you can change all drive letter names on your computer hard disk drive. Remember, after the change, we need to restart our computer for smoothly work. You can see, I changed another drive letter name and path in my HDD. If you face any problems to change the drive letter and path, then please type me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.